Good morning, friends. I'm Professor Shoyog Patil, retired professor from Engineering College, and now I'm a trainer as well as a coach. So, you might have seen my previous videos, which are emphasizing many points like why, how, and of course, what we have to decide. We have to still discuss. So, why is very important, how is very important. So, what do you mean by why? Suppose you want to achieve something, first you should know why you want to achieve that thing. Because what are the consequences of achieving that thing? Whether those consequences are good for you, your family, and society also, then only you can be called as a good human being. Whenever you want to achieve something, you want to do some work, but however small the work may be, however great the work may be, whatever the small achievement, whatever the great achievement you want to achieve, first ask yourself why I want to achieve this particular thing. Is it suits my values, my family values, my society values? Does its consequences make me happy, my family happy, and the society in general happy? And will the consequences are good for me, good for the family, and good for society? Then only it is a true success, my dear friends. There are n number of successful people are there in the society, but not everybody can be called as good human beings or good successes, good successes. There are n number of corrupt politicians who harm the society by their corrupt practices. So, however successful they may be in terms of finance, but they cannot be called as worthy successes. So, actually, success, the definition of the success itself is progressive realization of a worthy goal. Definition of success is progressive realization of the of a worthy goal. Worthy here, worthy means it should be worthy to you. It should make good for you. It should make good for something good for your family and something good for society. Then only you can be called as truly successful. Otherwise, you may not be called as truly successful. So this is therefore, my dear friends, whenever you choose a goal, whenever you choose to do some work, ask yourself why I am doing this. So will it be in congruence with my values, my belief system, so my family values, so the values of the society in which I live. So all these questions you need to ask, my dear friends. So that is the importance of why. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about something called purpose and passion. Both are interrelated because if you want to succeed in any field, you need to have passion. You need to be passionate about that field. You need to be passionate about the field. Then only success will come to you. So to be passionate, you need to have a strong purpose. Purpose will be stronger the purpose, more passionate you will be, because it is the passion which is the driving force for your success, and it is the purpose which is the driving force for your passion. I can give many examples. For example, take Sachin Tendulkar. Why it is he is so successful? Because from school days only he was passionate about cricket. Why he was passionate about cricket? His purpose was to join Indian team and play for India. So that dream he saw even in the childhood also, and he himself in the high school, he himself and Vinod Kambli made a world record of sort of runs, something more than 600 runs, and he came to limelight as a dependable batsman. Then he was selected to the Maharashtra team, that is a local team. Then he selected to. So, what all the things that contributed to his success is his passion about cricket, and that passion was driven by the purpose. He wanted to make it big. He wanted to become a very successful player. represent India, won cups, won matches. So something like so that is the power of the purpose, which gives you the passion. Because for any kind of success, you need to take action, and for some goals to achieve, you need to take massive action. So for that massive action, you need a lot of enthusiasm, energy, all these things should be there. So to create that energy, to create that enthusiasm, you need to have passion. You need to be passionate about it. If you are passionate about it, automatically your mind will be generating those feelings of enthusiasm, as well as the enjoyment. You enjoy your goal. You enjoy your process, what you call it as a process to reach that goal. Therefore, my dear friends, purpose is very important. Purpose is related to why you are doing this. Greater the purpose, more passion will be generated, and more hard work you are going to put. So when you are passionate about it, definitely you are going to put the hard work. You are going to practice it. You are going to what you call it as a undergo any kinds of hardship, overcome any kinds of obstacles. So it is true for any field, any sports field is you take PV Sindhu, take Sonia Nainwal. So any sportsman you take, they have a purpose. First thing, that purpose gives them passion. That passion gives them energy to or enthusiasm to take massive action, practice rigorously day and night, sacrificing many of the pleasures at that age, many of the sacrifices that they need to do. So that kind of passion you need to have. So that will give you, for example, film stars. Film stars today, you need to have six packs, you need to have good grooming, you need to have good looks. So all those things comes because they are passionate about achieving success as a film stars. So that is the purpose. Purpose is to become a celebrity. Purpose is to become a celebrity, the successful film star. That drives, that purpose drives them or gives them that passion. They will ready to work hard. So they will ready to practice. They are ready to rehearse. So they become successful. So it applies to student life also. So in student life, you need to find your purpose, the purpose of your academic career, the purpose of your life's purpose and academic career purpose should be aligned. Then only you will be more passionate about it. So your life's purpose is something different, and your academic purpose is something different. So you will be having some friction, some sort of conflict, and you may not be have that kind of passion. So your purpose of doing a particular course should be aligned with the higher purpose of your life. Then you will, a strong kind of passion will be developed. You will develop an interest in that particular field. So your passionate purpose will drive you into a massive action, because you also need to work hard, do many sacrifices, or come out of your comfort zone. So a lot of things are involved in achieving a successful career. So therefore, my dear friends, remember, passion and purpose are very, very important. Stronger the purpose, more passionate you will be, more passionate, more massive action you are going to take. More massive action, easier will be the success. So that is, you need to remember. Another example is, for example, you are, for example, some old people are suffering with some deadly diseases. If they have a strong purpose to live, if they have a strong purpose to live, then they may overcome that decision just by their willpower. Just by their willpower. Willpower works. only when you are you have a strong purpose. Of course, the purpose may be family oriented or society oriented. So family oriented purpose is also works. For example, he wanted to see his friends, his sons become successful, then want to see daughter's marriage, granddaughter's marriage, their daughter's marriage, something like so. Those kind of purposes should be there in the old people who are suffering from ailments and who are in a critical condition. Then only though they may be able to overcome that critical ailment also, or even though they were unable to overcome, they will live longer. With the ailment only, they can manage the ailment and they live longer. I have seen many patients live longer, even though they have dreaded disease, they live longer because of they had some dreams, they had some purpose. So purpose is the driving force of our life only, life itself. So without purpose, living a life is it is almost like sleepwalking. So almost like you walk in sleep without any purpose, without any goal, without knowing the direction. So the purpose gives you direction. Then you will be passionate about it. Then you will take the massive action, move in that direction, and success will be yours. So it is very important point. I'm concluding this small video. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. So you'll get notification for my further videos. I'm going to continuously release the videos to motivate students or to motivate anybody, because my sole intention is to add value to people. I am retired now. Now my sole value is to add value to people. So therefore, my dear friends, please subscribe my channels. Please share the link to your whoever you want to know these concepts. So thank you for listening me. Thank you for watching this.